Did you know you can manage restoration projects on the go with XactRemodel's XactRestore subscription? With the XactRemodel app, you can create or modify projects, communicate with clients, and streamline workflows, all from your mobile device. Let's explore how these features work. After downloading the app and logging into XactRemodel, you can immediately open existing projects or create a new one from the project list. This will take you to the summary page, where you'll enter the project name and your client's information. Communicating with clients is simple. Import their contact information directly from your contacts list or enter it manually. Then call, text, email, or share the site's location, all from one place. With the XactRestore subscription, you can enter the date of loss, tracking your project from start to finish. When you enter the zip code, your price list will automatically generate. Next, select the correct tax jurisdiction to reflect accurate costs and fees. You may also want to adjust the markup percentage. By default, markup pricing is set at the company level. In the Notes section, you can add extra details that are relevant to your estimate. Next, tap the Attachments button to import or take photos on site and save them directly to your project. You can even add notes to each photo so they appear in your reports. On the estimate page, you'll start by adding groups or rooms, which allows you to organize and categorize the line items for your estimate. Add in the dimensions, including the length, width, and height of a room. From the Quick Estimates or Single Items tab, search for and add line items. Notice that costs and fees will automatically be added to your project. To view detailed information, you'll simply tap on the line item. Here's where you'll find the summary, components, and definition. From there, you can customize each line item according to the needs of your project. You can also create subgroups for a room within a room, such as a closet or pantry. The Reports page allows you to customize your opening and closing statements that show on your reports and allows you to preview multiple reports, such as your proposal, component details, and invoice report. Within each report, you can toggle details on or off in the settings to include only what you need. When you're ready, share the project with your team or another contractor to finalize the estimate. With XactRestore, you can manage projects anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more expert tips each week. For more XactRemodel tips, check out our expert tip videos.